This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking what Facebook actually reveals: stories and explicit interactions. Open the app or desktop, go to your profile, and play your story. The viewers list shows everyone who opened it. Once done, open Activity Log to scan likes, comments, and follows. These are the concrete signals people visited or engaged with your profile. You do this because Facebook protects profile views, so interactions and story views are the only reliable built-in indicators. Next, dig into where measurable data exists. If you run a Facebook page, open Insights and check visitors and people engaged for demographic and visit counts. This gives you real visitor trends. For personal profiles, systematically review reactions, comments, and new followers. These actions usually mean someone viewed your profile. Importantly, do not install third-party extensions or apps that promise profile visitor lists. They risk account access and rarely work. Trust only Facebook's built-in data. To finish, change your story privacy so the right people show up on the viewers list. Use custom or public depending on your goal. If you require aggregate visitor metrics for public presence, convert or create a Facebook page and rely on Insights for counts and trends. If you don't see expected viewers or interactions, log out and back in, update the app, and verify app permissions. These fixes resolve most visibility glitches and confirm you didn't miss data due to a sync or privacy setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.